A question asked by a dietitian about your statement that bananas do not make you gain weight if you eat them, but if you drink them in the form of smoothies or shakes, you will gain weight within a couple of weeks. In today's video, we're going to address a common misconception: can you really gain weight with bananas? Many people believe that bananas are a safe fruit when it comes to weight management, but there's a twist to this story. A dietitian has questioned the notion that eating bananas won't lead to weight gain, but consuming them in smoothies or shakes might result in those unwanted extra pounds in just a matter of weeks. Let's dive into this intriguing statement and explore the science behind it. Understanding bananas. Bananas are often hailed as a nutritious snack, packed with essential vitamins, minerals, and dietary fiber. They are a rich source of potassium, vitamin C, and vitamin B6, making them an ideal choice for a healthy diet. But the way you consume bananas can significantly impact their effect on your weight. The smoothie and shake dilemma. The concern raised by the dietitian revolves around the transformation of bananas into smoothies or shakes. When you blend a banana with other ingredients like yogurt, dates, honey, milk, or sweeteners, and enhance it for children, you can add chocolate and other fruits like strawberries, and you change the nature of this fruit. Smoothies and shakes can become calorie-dense, as they often contain added sugars and fats. This increased caloric content can indeed lead to weight gain if not accounted for within your daily caloric intake. Through this procedure, people can gain weight at any age, from a kid to an elderly person. Portion control is key. It's essential to remember that moderation is key when it comes to consuming bananas in the form of smoothies or shakes. A single banana, when blended into a smoothie, can be relatively calorie-friendly. However, issues arise when large portions are consumed regularly without consideration for the overall diet. Excessive consumption of calorie-dense smoothies can lead to a surplus of calories and, consequently, weight gain. Balancing your diet. The statement made by the dietitian highlights the importance of overall dietary balance. Bananas, like any other food, can be part of a healthy eating plan if they are consumed mindfully. When incorporated into a diet that considers your daily calorie needs, they can contribute to satiety and overall well-being. In conclusion, the idea that bananas alone cause weight gain is not accurate. Bananas, in their natural form, are a nutritious addition to your diet. However, if you transform them into calorie-rich smoothies or shakes without considering portion sizes and the overall composition of your meals, you may indeed experience weight gain over time. It's not the bananas themselves, but the way you consume them, that matters most. As always, consulting with a registered dietitian or nutritionist can provide personalized guidance on how to incorporate bananas and other foods into your diet without compromising your weight management goals. Remember, a balanced diet, portion control, and mindful eating are essential for maintaining a healthy weight and well-being. If you found this information helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more insights on nutrition and weight management.